going to Donki、はい、日本のドンキホーテがシンガポールのクラークキーって場所にあるので、そこに行きます。So what I'm doing today is I'm going to make takoyaki for my Singaporean family because you know my mom's always cooking for us. She needs a break. Let's go. でレシピは、はい銀だこのレシピ使います。まあ、大阪人としてちょっと銀だこはちょっと、どうなんていうのはちょっと思うとこあるんですが、銀だこが好きみたいなんで奥さんが、はい、銀だこたこ焼きで作ります。Alright, we're here. Donki. What do I like about Donki? I think the price. 日本の 1.2 倍から 1.5 倍なので、重宝してます。すごく助かってます。でバラエティも豊かです。ドンキ様々です。Why natto? Because it's not going to be a normal takoyaki party. That's boring. It's going to be something more exciting, more fun. はい、という感じで、はい、いろいろ買いました。ドンキと現地のスーパー NTUC で買いました。Total was like $46, which isn't cheap at all. But okay, hopefully we can have some fun. So Donki has something like this. It's a takoyaki mix. And to make it fun, I got some winna. We call sausages winna in Japanese. And of course, some octopus. $11, very expensive. And some overpriced natto. I like my octopus big. なのでちょっと大きめに切ります。I like to mix it at least 50 times. Okay, next I'm making takoyaki batter. So according to this website, the key to make a great takoyaki is making a great batter. And apparently many people mix the powder, the egg, and the water at the same time, but you're not supposed to do that. You should first mix the water and the egg, then put the powder, which I knew already, I think. なんでこれ買うと青のりとか紅生姜とか天かすも入ってくるんでこれいいですね。From all the cooking I've done during the circuit breaker period, I think I can now try to break an egg using only one hand. Okay, let's try this. I think I can do it. I'm confident. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Wow, this is difficult. Oh, that's a good one. Now goes the takoyaki powder. Boom. So this is fish broth. It's like a secret ingredient you should put inside to add some fishy umami to your takoyaki. This is optional. You don't have to do it, but it's better if you put in some. Not too much. This is optional as well, but yeah, it adds a nice prawniness to your takoyaki. Some in, and I'm going to grind it. Oh, there's a funny fact about takoyaki. It said that each Osakan household has a takoyaki machine, and that's pretty funny because that shows you how much Osakans love takoyaki. 僕の実家も当然のごとくありましたね。Okay, let's try this. Okay, Mom.
Wow.
Do you know what takoyaki is?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki, do you know?
Of course I know lah.
You know what?
Yeah.
What is
and
takoyaki?
I don't know. I eat so many times already.
What is takoyaki?
Huh? What is takoyaki?
Ah.
I know it's like ball like that.
Bobo.
Then inside got those ingredients like octopus.
Yes, that's
crab
it.
meat.
Octopus. So we made it. Today's a special one.
Yeah.
Got some sausage and something special. Supposed to turn it on, then start
Glaze with some oil.
brushing it with some oil. You want to put quite a lot to make it crispy.
You look so professional.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm from Osaka.
Osaka.
Every Osaka man can
In Osaka.
great takoyaki.
Wow.
The last time I made takoyaki was like 5 years ago, but I think I can do it.
Wow, so
もう大阪人なんで
Osaka.
作れるはず。Whoa!
Wow.
So mom, you know the tip is to not put everything first, huh?
Oh.
So first we're gonna cook half of the batter
Yeah.
and first cook this a bit. Then we're gonna put some ingredients.
Whoa.
Okay.
So
I think can already. Okay.
can already.
So-
Some ingredients. Octopus.
This is the classic octopus.
Wow.
Whoa.
Octopus is my favorite.
Really?
Yeah. When I buy this takoyaki, I usually ordered octopus flavor.
Ah.
Yeah, I love it. It's
Oh,
nice.
it's hardening already. Oh my gosh.
So you want to take the
Wait.
stick? Oh.
Okay, so we got some cheese as well.
Need to be fast, no? Your action.
Put some cheese
Wow, your
here.
hand, Don't so close.
Oh yeah.
Too slow.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Need to flip it now. Flip Now flip
Hold on.
Oh, you still need to add, right?
Put this.
Put this.
Put this. Thank you.
Wow.
Okay.
What's it?
Got some natto. Wow, this is a special one.
Your action need to be fast, huh?
Yeah. I think
Don't play.
this pot is very
Wow.
strong. The fire is very strong.
Very hot.
Oh, but 很香.
Wow.
Smells really nice, right?
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Also got some.
You are like going for
sausages.
war.
Whoa.
Whoa. Like going for war, you know?
Okay. Okay.
Faster.
Right.
Faster. Take the stick. Whoa.
I wash my hand. Don't worry. Yeah.
Hot now.
You can just, mom, put a lot, like.
Oh, put a lot.
It can overflow, like,
it's like
yeah, overflow can.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, make it overflow.
Okay.
Okay,
Overflow.
it's okay.
Wow,
It's our first time.
Wow. So excited.
Put some
Very kanchong.
beni shoga. Okay. So the cutters. Alright, okay. Now
Hey.
we're gonna wait for a while.
Wait for a while.
I think can overflow.
Huh? Overflow?
Yeah.
Oh, like
That's how the Osakans do it.
Is this something a signature yummy from Osaka?
Yeah, signature yummy
It's
from
a signature.
Osaka. Whoa! Nice cutter. Wow.
Wow, hey,
Whoa.
wow.
Mom, why are you so good, mom?
Look like fishball.
You're so good, mom.
Look like
Okay.
fishball. Wow, say.
So it's okay that it's
Yeah.
messy in the beginning. So we're gonna keep on rolling it. So
Whoa.
it's okay to be messy.
Wow. It's like a competition, you know. You never do a clean job, you see. Here so
No, mom, I told you
untidy.
it's okay to be dirty.
Is it?
Yeah.
No lah, try to be neat lah. See, what is this? Like one lump.
I think it's ready, mom. Try. Yeah,
Try.
this one.
But
Wow,
inside ripe or not?
looks so crunchy.
Inside right or not?
Go.
Really
Whoa.
Nice.
Whoa. That's mine.
Yeah, inside is supposed to be.
Aonori. Itadakimasu.
Wow.
Mmm.
Nice.
This is the inside.
Successful takoyaki. See the mouth. Oil. Very hot, right? Nice taste, huh? Very successful.
Wow. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
Yeah, it's really delicious.
本場の味だ.
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay,
So
mom.
clever.
You want to try the natto? I think that's natto.
The natto, is it? Oh, dried fish plate or bonito. I love bonito.
Golden brown. Seaweed.
Wow.
You know seaweed?
Good smell. Wow. Wow, nice. Wow, fantastic.
This is the natto one. You try natto? Mmm.
Wow, nice, huh?
Wow.
Oh,
Wait,
that.
no, you put that one.
Put. Okay, my family is trying it now. Yeah. So don't put everything. Put it till half
Half.
Okay.
Don't forget half.
and cook for a while. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Can, huh? Careful, huh?
Wow.
So
There's
fast.
6 hands here.
Put the ingredient
It
on.
smells so good. Wow, so many hands. Our
Okay.
business is so good, you see?
Yeah. Don't forget that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Don't
need
forget.
just do that. Yeah.
Too
The
much.
cheese.
Yeah.
We need the cheese. Oh, careful.
God,
Too many order.
Too many order.
Yeah, our business very good. I
Yeah.
say. Wow, good business.
Look
Wow,
at this.
good business.
它是 pour the thing.
Yeah, cover it.
Yeah, cover it.
Good
Flat,
business.
flat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, now.
Nice.
Kanchiong.
Looking good.
Wow.
Looking better.
You're like going for a race.
Need 6 hands for.
You're like going for a
Yeah.
race.
You need help?
Wow. Wow.
Are you playing with? Is that Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Is that Play-Doh?
Kind of.
You got to fix
Yeah.
from-
Okay.
from below
I'll
to
teach
up.
you.
But outside they always
Just use
cut.
one.
Use
Just
one?
use one and do like this.
Yes, yes.
Wow, you saw?
Wow,
Oh,
you
you
see?
make it look
that?
so easy.
Like this? Okay, so you kind of. Whoa.
Whoa.
Can.
Oh.
Yes, you see? You do
Fine.
one
Right,
handed.
Push everything in.
Yeah, push everything
Oh.
in. This one settle the issue first.
Circle the issue.
Yeah, here got issue, you see? Don't know look like what? What's that? You see?
Wow, you're getting better.
Yeah, this one
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
better.
Good job. Okay, look how my family did.
Not bad.
Wow, nice.
Why is it better than mine? It's better than mine. Wow, look at that. Wow, so cheesy.
Wow.
Golden cutter. Okay, eat mom or everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
our
how
second
about-
round,
Wow,
okay?
better than mine, Lay.
Second round, of course lah.
Wow.
Of course lah. Of course we are better than yours lah. You think you're always so good man?
Mmm, not bad.
Nice lah.
It's very nice. It's not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
Very good. It's,
No.
it's very excellent.
Something missing.
What?
What's thing missing?
I don't know, but something. みんな大絶賛。ただ個人的にはもうちょっと濡れてる方が好きかな、大阪人としては。No, like we Osakans love it, like it more wet inside.
Oh,
You know,
wet
like
inside.
yeah, we like it more wet.
More wet?
This is a bit dry.
Is it?
Not bad. Maybe Gindako style.
Yeah.
But I like
We like it wet,
a bit.
you know.
Oh, you all like wet.
Well, the JJ said she's only gonna eat 3, and in the end she already ate like 20.
Yeah. That's
Very
right.
disappointed. Third round.
Then outside is like that.
Whoa.
Yeah, you need to flood the whole thing.
Is that ready? Whoa.
Oh, wow.
So nice. You guys are not bad, but you gotta do it more fast. Look, like this. This is how the pros do it. See? You see? This is serious takoyaki action. Oh,
Action.
see? You need to be fast.
Yeah, also one
Okay.
sotong.
This is natto. Wow, look at
Oh, natto.
look at that. I personally don't like the sausage though. It's overwhelming, right? The taste. No, the sausage. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Don't put sausage. Octopus, sotong also can. Squid maybe. And mini tomatoes I think would be fun too. Mini tomato, pork ball maybe. The point is to have fun. If you want to make it crispy, you should brush your takoyaki with some oil like this. Then just keep on rolling it. And it gets extremely crispy, gindako style. What's happening here?
What's happening?
This is
Huh?
not takoyaki.
Tsunami here. Tsunami, you know.
You make no sense, mom.
This is Singapore takoyaki, okay? No more Osaka. Just now is Osaka, now is Singapore, huh?
Walao eh.
Walao. Okay lah, 来啦. Wow.
No, that's not Osaka style, mom.
That's why I tell you this is Singapore style. You see?
What is it?
So small, look like
Why
red
so small?
Look like red you know?
Yeah, what's happening here?
What's
Please,
happening?
please don't call that takoyaki, mom. Don't play with food, you know? We Japanese are very strict when coming to
Yeah.
paying respect to food.
Yeah, okay. So
Okay, that's not
don't
allowed. Don't play,
The
mom.
mixing say one, don't play.
Not
okay?
allowed.
Yeah, don't play.
Not allowed in my house.
Okay, sorry, food.
ちなみにちゃんと全部食べるのでご安心ください。So how was the whole experience, mom? You enjoyed?
Wow, overall, it's like our weekend play doh, no? So fun. This is our weekend play doh.
Play-Doh.
See, we play again, okay?
Delicious Play-Doh.
Yeah, delicious play doh. We can play and we can enjoy
Yeah.
No, you see?
Okay, I need to teach.
Now, what shape is this? Singapore style one is this kind of shape, okay? Not round one, This is called
Okay.
out of shape style.
Okay.
No, out
Wow.
of shape. Not round, and I also don't know what shape.
Okay, I need to teach them how to cook proper takoyaki.